Rach. I've been building Squarespace websites for a decade now. My approach has always been to maximize the built-in features first. So for this challenge, I am submitting a website project with no additional code or extensions. In building the experience, my goals are to guide users' attention and to reinforce the brand's message. Design Forward is catered to multi-layered creatives who are ready to push the boundaries. I wanted those unexpected layers to be evident as we scroll. I used block animations not only to introduce movements but also to transition smoothly from one color theme to another, blurring the boundaries. Design Forward is a live bootcamp for web designers who are curious how AI can help streamline the tedious parts of their process. The stacks feature allowed me to create these editorial cards that walks users through what to expect every week. I was able to manage the alignment, add elements such as videos, and animate them as a group. I only had to perfect one card and was able to easily duplicate it. For the animations and layouts throughout the site, I was able to customize the mobile view independent from the desktop. Our goal is to drive waitlist signup, so I wanted to draw attention to this call to action and use tags of images and text to create these scrolling banners. Carefully timed animations made the story unfold one scene at a time. This horizontal scroll adds visual interest as it moves across the screen. This was easily created using stacks with layers of animation such as scale and offset. Again, no additional CSS, JavaScript, code blocks, or extensions were used in this project. I used a lot of custom fonts here and I was able to easily apply them to elements using the font upload feature. Feel free to check out the website via designforward.live. If you'd like to learn more how I approach Squarespace projects, please visit standoutsquare.space/learn.